Today we're gonna make this healthy Greek village potato salad. To get started on making our Greek village potato salad, we don't need many ingredients. It's all our usuals. We have just potato, white onion, olive oil, of course, salt, pepper, and oregano, and a little white wine vinegar. That's it. So I've cooked here 2 pounds of Idaho potatoes. Cook them, peel them, let them cool. Once we've taken those, we're gonna cut them up. Nice big chunks. Put them right over here. Next, we're gonna cut our onion. So we just need a small white onion. I have the big one here, so I'm just gonna use half of it. Put the other half away. So we're gonna take our onion and we're gonna slice it. Nice thin slices. Now we're gonna take our onion here. We're gonna add it right to our potatoes. That's it, nice and simple. And now we're gonna do our dressing on top. So we have olive oil. We need a lot of olive oil for potatoes, so at least half a cup of olive oil. I'm gonna put that right here, measuring it out. And we're gonna take 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar. Already measured that. We're gonna take a teaspoon of sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of oregano. Mix that together. We're gonna pour this on top of our potatoes. Mix this all together. And that's it. So simple. This perfect salad, summer barbecue, having people over for dinner, make this ahead of time, put this in the refrigerator. It'll be even better in a little bit when it's nice and cool in the refrigerator and the olive oil has soaked into the potatoes. So simple. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram for more entertaining tips.